Hello and welcome to LonerTube again.
Welcome.
I have a new baby in the shop.
Baby.
I decided not to resurrect the S1.
Well, how about that?
I still got it, and I will later. But I upgraded to a P2S. And today, we're going to do glass for the first time. Never done it before. Gonna do it today right here. We are going to take this picture frame, and it is a double picture frame, and the way you open it is get that back. You should be able to get the glass out.
You will be able to.
I've never worked with glass. I've never had the capability to work with glass. Now with the CO2, I do. So we are going to work with it today. I'm excited.
Yes, we can tell.
I gotta get this on. Pop it in.
Pop it in. Exactly what I was thinking.
What I need to do is get the top of this glass. So, one way, I'm gonna set a little sheet of pepper up there.
Not sure what's in that solo cup, but that didn't sound right.
I'll refresh the image. Alright. I got the height of it. Don't forget, I've never done this before. This will be the first time I've done glass ever.
Yes, we know.
We got 19 minutes.
I sure hope you speed this footage up for all that time. What is this you are doing again? Yeah, I can't tell at all what this is. Is it even doing anything yet? Wait, is that a horn I see? That is definitely a horn. And that is definitely a half a cow of some sort.
Another thing to know while I'm standing here talking to you, I'm using just xTool Studio settings. I have not run any tests. This is the first time I've ever even thought of engraving glass. What you see is what xTool provided to me.
So are you telling me they provided a cow to you? Surely not.
I'm a maker. I want it to be easy to just plug it in and go. And that's what they're good at. So here we are. P2S running in the background. is amazing.
I concur.
The detail.
Yes, there is definitely detail. If that machine would move its big head a little, we could see it better. Okay. I think I have figured out what animal it is. Can you in the comments take your guess? Well, if you guessed, you are absolutely correct. Well, that is a hella bad camera angle.
I can't see what the camera can see, but I hope you can see. You see that. Alright. You can't see it? I'll wear a darker shirt next time. P2S. First time engraving glass. First time doing glass on that machine. I did some acrylic earlier. You can see it here, maybe. But I think that's a wrap. Mom's gonna love it. Peace.